uh, did you done with your homeworks?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty good. That's really good. So let's give a test. What say? Khairul Hassan Mamun, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am here. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Mr. Mamun, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
That's great. So, did you done your homework?
Yes, I completed.
Oh, that's pretty good. So, can you just explain what is better late than never? Can you explain?
About better late than never.
Better late than never.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
It took me 3 years to complete the training course, but better late than never, right?
It took me 3 years later to complete the
Training
course.
course,
Okay.
but better
But
late
better
than
late
never,
than
right?
never. Yes, you're right. Absolutely right. So you got the meaning, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you just tell what is a blessing in disguise?
Sir, again, sir.
I said, can you explain what is a blessing in disguise? A blessing in disguise.
Oh, okay, sir. That is our number one.
Right. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I said, can you explain?
Unfortunately, I don't write that idioms.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. You can turn off your microphone.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Abir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
How are you? How are you, Mr. Abir?
Hello. Hello.
Mr. Abir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Can you explain what is a dime a dozen?
Sir, can I answer this? I find these idioms.
Sorry, Mr. Mamun, I'm not getting you.
Sir, a blessing in disguise. That idioms I write in another pages, so now I find that home one. Can I tell this till now?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Losing that job turned out to be a blessing in disguise for him, as it is forced him to plug into business.
Just can you repeat it again?
Losing that job turned out to be a blessings in disguise for him, as it is forced him to plug into business.
That's great. That's great. You're absolutely right. Thank you so much. Okay, Mr. Abir, please carry on.
You asked me the a dime and a dozen, right?
Right, a dime a dozen.
Okay. Actually, it is referred to something very plainful or common, or just simply say that is in
available.
Yes, in abundant quantity actually. So, if we take a look into an example, such as like stupid people are a dime a dozen in our country or any other country. Products are a dime a dozen. Such types of examples.
Okay, can you say what is break a leg?
Actually, it refers to good luck or good charm or best of luck. You can do it. It's like a wishing or something that mentor you to do it properly. If you ask me the example, I can give such that I know you can do it. So break a leg, or you
That's
will
pretty
be
good.
fine on your presentation. So go on, break a leg.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Abir.
Welcome.
MD Abdullah, are you there?
Yeah, uh, I'm here. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. I'm well. Also good.
Okay. So can you explain what is beat around the bush?
Yeah, I can explain you. Beat
Yes.
around the bush means don't come into the point like that.
Not coming to the
Actually,
point, just roaming around the point.
yeah.
Okay, just go on. Give me an example.
Actually, I can't prepare to make a sentence, but
You
I'll try.
try.
Yeah, I'll try. Actually, uh, don't a long speech. Please bit around the bush.
Uh, can you repeat it again?
Maybe I want to say about that. Don't uh, speak at all. Actually, uh, like a talkative. So please
Talkative.
bit around the bush. Yeah.
Talkative, which
কাজের
means
কথাটাই
in
বলো।
Bangla, which means bachal.
Yeah,
Okay.
so কাজের কথাটাই বলো এমন কিছু বোঝাইতে চাচ্ছিলাম।
Okay, then you should say don't speak like a talkative. Just
Yeah.
sorry. Don't don't beat around the bush. Just like a talkative. Just come to the point. You can say this.
Yeah. Don't around the bush.
Don't beat around the bush like a talkative. Just come to the point.
Come. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. MD Ashikur Rahman. Are you there?
I want to leave from this meeting because just a moment our Johor prayer coming, so
Okay,
that's why.
Sure, you may leave.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, assalamu alaikum. I'm here.
Walaikum assalam. How are you, Ashik?
Sir, I'm fine.
So,
Actually, sir, I was absent in my last class, so I didn't know about the homework.
okay. You must look at the video that have been uploaded, or you can take help from your friend who
Yes, sir. I will
can
talk with other
record.
students.
Yes. So hopefully from next class you'll be participating. Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Shishir Islam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Can you explain what is better late than never?
Better late than never. I think I have no example now. I mind not remind and any example. That reason
Can you just explain the meaning?
meaning is I have a bad color pen, but I want a good good color, good bad mobile. As an example, I have a bad mobile, but I want a good mobile. That's the time I think I use this phrase. I use this time I use this.
Not actually. Better late than never means um, doing something is better rather than not doing anything. Doing something lately is much better than doing nothing. This is the explanation in Bangla, which is na howar theke derite hawa bhalo.
Okay,
So,
sir.
so this is the
That's wrong,
explanation.
wrong
Yeah,
explanation.
unfortunately, you have explained the wrong
Wrong.
thing. No matter. So give a try
Okay, sir.
on.
I'll try my best next time. I will try my best, sir.
Yes. Yes. Can you say that what is a dime a dozen?
Diamond doesn't. The main fact is that I'm not totally prepared this theme and this your study. I'm not completed. That's reason I
Okay.
have no any.
Okay. No matter. Then get prepared for the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank
I
you.
will try my best.
Sure. Mr. Naimur Rahman,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Explain a blessing in disguise.
Something that seems bad or unlucky at first, but
Right.
results in something good happening later.
Perfect. So can you give me an example? Can you give me an example? Uh-oh. He left the meeting or not? Oh, Naimur Rahman, are you there?
Yes, I'm.
I said, can you give me an example? Mr. Naimur Rahman,
জি ভাইয়া
একটা এক্সাম্পল দিতে পারবেন?
ভাইয়া এক্সাম্পল তো দিইনি কিভাবে দিব
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, প্রবলেম নেই, সেটা আগেই বলতে পারতেন, আমি অন্যজনের কাছে একটু যেতাম, কাজ আজকে তো টাইম খুব কম এন্ড অলমোস্ট আপনারাও বোর হয়ে যাচ্ছেন মনে হয় ক্লাস করতে করতে। এনিওয়েজ, থ্যাংক ইউ। মিস নিয়ামি, আর ইউ দেয়ার?
Assalamu alaikum, bhaiya.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। ডিড ইউ ডান ইউর হোমওয়ার্ক? Niami,
Yes.
did you done your?
হ্যালো ভাইয়া
Yes, Naimur Rahman.
হ্যালো
Yes, Naimur
মানে
Rahman.
আমি কি এটা বাংলাতে বলতে পারবো
বাংলায় তো বলতে পারবেন, আমি তো জানি, বাট আমি তো চাচ্ছিলাম একটু ইংলিশে, যেহেতু আমরা ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করছি তো।
বলছি আমি কি এটা বাংলাতে বলতে পারবো?
জি, বাংলাতে তো বলতে পারবেনই, বাট আমরা তো ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করছি, তাই ইংলিশটা হলে বেটার হতো। আচ্ছা, আপনি বাংলাতেই বলেন।
প্রথমে খারাপ বা দুর্ভাগ্যের জন্য কিছু মনে হয়, তবে এরপরে কিছু ভালো হয়।
তাসলিমা আপু ভিডিও অন আছে।
তারপরে আপনারটা রং হয়েছে, আপনাকে কেউ শিখাই দিছে আর আপনি বলছেন, তার কারণে এটা রং।
না ভাই, কালকে আমি এটা প্র্যাকটিস করেছি।
নাইমুর ভাই, আসলে কিছু মনে করবেন না, একটা কথা বলি, আপনার পাশে কেউ আছে সেটা সবাই বুঝতে পারছে। এনিওয়েজ, আপনি একটু নিজে ট্রাই করলে হয়তোবা খুবই খুবই উপকৃত হতেন। আপনি আপনার পাশে যে আছে হয়তোবা সে শিখতে পারছে, তার প্র্যাকটিস হচ্ছে, আপনার হচ্ছে না। সো আমি এক্সপেক্ট করবো আপনি একটু নিজে থেকে ট্রাই করবেন। আপনি ভুল বলেন, আমার কোনো প্রবলেম নেই, আমি আপনাকে হেল্প করবো, আমি হেল্প করার জন্য এখানে আছি। সো একটু ট্রাই করবেন নেক্সট ক্লাস থেকে। আজকে টাইমটা খুব কম, সো আমি অন্যজনদের কাছে যাচ্ছি, আপনি একটু এটা প্রিপেয়ার করে আসবেন বাসা থেকে। হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে,
মনে করবেন না।
আচ্ছা।
Sorry, Niami Apu, are you there?
Yes.
So can you just tell me what is a blessing in disguise?
Something that we thought it would be wrong, but
it was bad, but after sometimes we thought
after some time we
what happened,
realized
it was
what
really good.
that happened was right.
That's pretty good. Can you give me an example? Niyami Apu, can you give me an example,
Yes, bhai, I will try.
please?
It's a blessing in disguise that universities and or educational institutions are remain closed.
Okay. Um, your sentence was correct, but you can add something before starting like this. You can say that the universities have been closed for a long days, but maybe it was a blessing in disguise. যেটার অর্থ হচ্ছে যে ইউনিভার্সিটিজ গুলো অনেক আগে থেকে বন্ধ, হয়তোবা সেটা ব্লেজিং ইন ডিসগাইজ, মানে এটা হয়তোবা ভালোর জন্যই হয়েছে। Just because in this pandemic we couldn't go out and continue our classes. Anyways, বুঝতে পেরেছেন?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Nur Muhammad Habibullah, are you there?
Yes,
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Can you explain what is better late than never?
I want to say something.
Yes, sorry.
I cannot do anything because I was not in the last class.
Oh, okay, then you please contact with your other friends or classmates to collect the last class topic, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you. Miss Ratri,
Thank you.
are you there? Walaikum salam.
Yeah, bhaiya, I can there.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Can you explain what is a dime a dozen?
Common কিছু. It means a common কিছু. A dime a dozen.
Okay. Can you give me an example?
Okay, I try.
Please.
Sorry, bhaiya, I can my mind at this time.
Okay, can you just explain what is a blessing in disguise?
It means যা হয়েছে ভালোর জন্য হয়েছে.
Mm-hmm. Example?
Example. But sorry, I cannot.
Okay.
I could not out my homework.
You have done 50% of your homework. Okay, no problem. Just try to be more productive from next class, okay?
Okay, inshallah.
That's
I can
great.
promise. Thank you.
Welcome. Miss Sadia Afrin.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm well, and you?
Alhamdulillah. Have you done your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
That's pretty good. Better late than never. Can you just explain what is better late than never?
I think doing something late is better than not doing it at all.
Pretty good. And an example?
Example, I joined this course at halftime, but better late than never.
That's great. Can you just say what is beat around the bush?
It means avoid talking about the main topic.
Avoiding about, okay. An example?
Mm, While beating around the bush, you will have to learn to speak clearly what you want to say or mean.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Uh, Surovi, Sharmin, Oishi, are you there?
Assalamualaikum bhaiya.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine bhaiya. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So, did you done your homework?
Yes bhaiya. I have done my homework.
Okay. Can you just tell me what is a dime a dozen?
A dime a dozen means something very common, very much available.
Okay, that's pretty good. Can you just tell me give me an example?
Traffic jam is a dime a dozen in Bangladesh.
That's great. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you bhaiya.
Sajib Robin, are you there? Mr. Sajib, are you there? Okay. Sultana Hasu, are you there? Miss Sultana Hasu. Okay. Tamanna E Jannati, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Have you done your homework?
Yes, I've done my homework.
That's pretty good. Can you explain what is a blessing in disguise?
A blessing in disguise. It's for it. It happens for the good.
Can you just repeat it again?
Hello.
Can you just repeat it
হ্যালো
again?
ভাইয়া, আমি সুলতানা অংশু বলছিলাম। আমার নেটওয়ার্ক চলে গেছিল, তো এই জন্য আমি মানে ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেছিলাম। আপনি
আচ্ছা,
আমাকে ডাকছিলেন।
জি, আচ্ছা, আমি আপনাকে আবার ডেকে নিব। আমি একজনের সঙ্গে কন্টিনিউ করছি, তো আমি এটা শেষ করি।
আচ্ছা ভাইয়া, ঠিক আছে।
তামান্না ই জান্নাতি আপু,
Yes, sir.
can you
A
please
blessing in
repeat it?
disguise means whatever happened in the past, maybe it was for bad, but later the result might be good.
Right. So can you just give me an example?
Yes, I can give an example. My admission is postponed, but it's
My admission has postponed.
that
Maybe
maybe this
it
was
was
for a blessing in
a
disguise.
blessing in disguise. That's pretty good. Okay, thank you. Actually, the time is too short and I need to finish it by some minutes.
Okay.
So I need to leave. Okay, Sultana Hasu, are you there? Sultana Hasu, Apu, are you there? Okay. Tanjuara Taslim, Apu, are you there?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam. You're one of the most active students.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So have you done your homework?
No sir.
Now you are just giving me an example of not being a active student.
Sorry.
It's fine. So just try to learn those words with examples. And try to be more active from next class.
जी, I'm trying.
Okay, thank you. Sultana Hasu, are you there?
জি ভাইয়া, I am here.
Okay, have you done your homework?
Yes, I have done it.
Okay, that's pretty good. So can you explain what is beat around the bush?
Uh, Sorry, Bhaiya, I can't hear.
I said, can you explain what is beat around the bush?
Yeah, it's mean avoid important point when someone talking.
Okay, that's right. But can you give me an example,
Yeah.
please?
Example is don't beat around the bush. Just tell me what happened actually.
That's great. Okay, thank you so much. Um, almost the class is over. So before ending the class, I would like to say something.